Right, guys. Now let's go ahead and do some questions on fractions. All right, we're going to be doing some questions on fractions. So first of all, guys, we're going to be talking about the basics of fractions. Okay, we're going to be talking about the basics of fractions. So let's talk about the basics of fractions. Let's start with the basics of fractions. All right. So let's say we have a fraction a over b. Let's say we have a fraction a over b. Now we know that the whatever is on the top is what we call a numerator, and whatever is on the bottom we call the denominator. All right. These are some basic words that you'll be looking at. Okay. Now let us go to the three types of fraction that we'll be looking at. Most of all is proper fractions. So proper fraction. Now, what do we mean by proper fractions? Now, proper fractions are fractions where the denominator, so let's say we have a over b, the denominator is less than the numerator is less than the denominator, right, guys? So in this case, it can be 2 over 3, it can be 4 over 5, it can be 12 over 20. All of these are called proper fractions. All right, guys, this is what we like to call proper fractions. Now, the next one is what we'll be talking about is what we call improper fractions. Improper fractions. Now, what do we mean by improper fractions? Now, improper fractions are fractions where the numerator will be more than the denominator. The numerator will be more than the denominator. In this case, guys, it could be 7 over 6. It can be 8 over 2. It can be 13 over 12, and so on. All right. This is what we call improper fraction. Now, from improper fractions, we can turn it to mixed fractions. So mixed fractions will look something like this. So it'll be in the format of a b over c. Okay, it'll be in the format of a b over c, where we would have one whole number. So we have a whole number, which is a. Is a whole number, and then b over c will be a proper fraction. Will be a proper fraction. All right, guys, will be a proper fraction. So it could look something like 2 and 3 quarter, 2 and 3 quarter, or 6 and 1 half. So all of this is what we would like to call mixed numbers, guys. All right. So step number one, what we'll be learning today is we're going to be talking about how we can convert our improper fractions to mixed fractions and mixed fractions to improper fractions. Okay, and that's what we're going to be looking at. Now let me look at some questions first, and then we can take it from there. See? Now let's say, guys, we have so let's change mixed fraction to we're going to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. All right, guys, or fractions. This will be more than one question. So let's say we have mixed fractions to improper fractions. Now let's say, guys, we have 2 and 3 quarters. Now, how can we convert it into an improper fraction? So what do we do, guys? We take 4, multiply with 2, and then add 3. So if we write it down, we'll have 4 times 2 plus 3 over 4, right? The denominator will always be the same. So what do we have now? We have 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 over 4, which is 11 over 4, which is 11 over 4, right, guys, which is equal to 11 over 4. Now, let me think of some other question. Let's see how it's going on. Now let me think of some other question here. So let's say I have 4 and 2/5. All right, 4 and 2/5. Now, how can we change 4 and 2/5 to an improper fraction? So what do we do, guys? We take 5 times 4 plus 2. 5 times 4 plus 2, right? So we have 5 times 4 plus 2, and the denominator will still stay the same. Will still stay the same, which is equal to, 20 plus 2 over 5, which is equal to 22 over 5, right, guys? Which is equal to 22 over 5. Now, let us do one more question of mixed fractions. So let's say I have 12 and 2/3. 12 and 2/3. All right, 12 and 2/3. So what do we have here? We have 3 times 2 plus 2, right? 3 times 2 plus 2 is 36 plus 2 over 3, which is 38 over 3. Right, guys? Does it make sense? Yes or no? Very, very good. So this is how we would change our mixed fractions to improper fraction. All right, guys. So this was just a test round to just see if my mic and everything is clear enough. Now, soon I'll be posting one more picture to let you know, to let you guys know that today 5 p.m. I'll be coming on live again.